Hi guys, just another update on our 4-bed. I originally wanted to make this final recording when the whole property and the whole project is complete. Unfortunately, there are some bad news and there are some good news. So the good news is 3 of the 4 rooms are already taken. That's in advance of the property of the project finished completely. Only leaving 1 room left, so we're just going to address that and start the marketing. The bad news means that I can't do a proper video of every room because the tenants have already moved in. Okay, anyway, so what is, I'll just show you what I can and then we'll just take it from there. 1 second, let me turn this around. Okay, so we've got the corridor, there's the hallway. Let's walk in. So we're going to put some more pictures up here. I'm going to close that off, the piping. I wanted to make a nice feature here. You can't really see it because of the camera, but it's actually got a really nice warm pink glow. Let me see if I can, oh, that might be better. So that should make a nice feature when you walk in. And that's the access. Okay, so we've just got all these things, all this dressing to make it nice and homely. Always have a notice board in your HMO. That's where you post all your certificates and your phone numbers. That's the boiler room. Toilet. That's the room. Okay. Again, nice feature light. So this room has already been taken. We've not even had a chance to dress it. We've put a desk for the gentleman. This is probably the largest room that's available. We've just got to put some net curtains up as well. The shower room. And this is the kitchen. Again, white walls, blank canvas, and just add nice little features like flowers. This is quite a nice little hallway. So this is the only bedroom that's left. So I've taken the opportunity to dress it and start the marketing. Very, very nice room, decent size. So that gives you access to the balcony. And that's it. So what I'll do is I'll post up the financials as soon as I've got all the invoices. Overall, this should net us 900. Some of the rooms actually went for more than what I originally planned, which is a good bonus. They've actually let a lot faster than I'd originally thought as well, which bodes well for the next 2 projects in the same area. Okay, so hopefully that's been helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.